Right, Silver Punks, welcome back. As you can see, we're in the pouring shed. This can mean one thing. It means we're going to do some pouring. And here we are. We've got the little Domino, Hank's Domino from Twin Peaks. If you've been following, you'll know this is a viewer request from Sean Covert 5447. This is the last part of this little series, and we're actually going to do the pour. We got the flask all set up. The furnace is now up to 1064, so we're almost there on that side of things. So yeah, really excited. I just really hope this comes out because it's just been so fun to do. The judge really knocked the ball out the park with these little bad boys, with the little dominoes he made, all from scratch. His own design in the on the computer in what's it called, the blender. So he made all that in the blender, and yeah, he's done a great job. Look at them bad boys. If I can pick them up in my gloves, so you're getting that. Just so cool. So looking forward to doing the pour. Hopefully this will come out, and we'll have a nice little domino at the end of things. But as always, it is experimental, so I just hope we can get it. I've got 100, I put 160 grams in the furnace, but I think that should be more than enough, because I kind of tried to guess it, and I think they're going to be around about the 50-60 gram mark. But also, of course, you've got the sprue, the little knob bit that when you pour, you get that bit that follows up the channel. So yeah, what they call it, the sprue. So you've got to have that in silver as well, which gets cut off and remelted. So hopefully, yeah, I'll get one nice pour, and if it's all took well, we should come out with a good result. So with no further ado, let's get sorted. I've got to get that a bit heated up round there, and also the tongs heated up. So if you have enjoyed this series, do please subscribe, guys. It helps the channel out, and it also obviously lets you guys know when we get the next videos out. So let's get these tongs warmed up and the top warmed up, and we'll get the pour on, and we'll see how it goes. Just want to get any condensation off that, because if the silver does splatter on it, I don't want no steam explosions. Trying to keep it as safe as we can. Right, catching it on fire inside, of course. It has been very cold in the shed. Right, I think we're good to go. Right, so let's have a look. Right, the furnace is up to 1077. So as you know, I like it around that mark, 1070, 1080. So I will go closer to 1080 this time. So, right guys, fingers crossed. Let's have a go, shall we? So, Sean Covert 5447. Here's your domino pour. Let's see if we can do. Let's see if we can do it for you. Let's see if we can get the challenge done. Got the glow. Oh, here we go then, guys. Oh, there you go. It's gone in. Oh, pop that back in there. Obviously, you can't really see a lot, guys, because it's all happening in there, but the sprue, there's not a lot of silver left, so it's quite a big sprue. So, right guys, what I'll do, obviously we've got to leave it for a little bit now, so I'll come back to you in about 5 minutes, and we'll crack it open, and we'll see what we've got. Right then, guys, it's been, if I'm honest, about 3 minutes. I just can't wait any longer. I've got to get in. So let's see what we can do. So I've put the board there. You can see the board, I should say the baking sheet. So I'm just going to make sure I get it in the right position for you. Move the clamps out the way. Now I don't know what's this going to come out like, but so we've got him on. It's experimental. So let's see, guys. Let's get him opened up. So obviously it's still going to be pretty hot inside and the tops are hot, so you just got to be careful. Right, you ready guys? I can't open it, he says. Well, there's the one side. The moment of truth. Let me just move that out the way. Dun dun dun. Put him down there a sec. Here we go then guys. Oh, you're getting that? Right, that's only one side. That's only one side of the story though. But okay. Pleased with that. Let's get him turned out. Let's have a look. Massive sprue obviously, but there we go. Oh guys, we've cracked it. Oh my word, are you getting that? Tell me you're getting that. Oh yeah. Hank's Domino. We've got to win. Right, what I'll do guys, I'll just quickly drop him in the quench and bring it back because I can't turn around because I've got my hands full. So one sec, you might hear the quench. No, it's cooled down quite a bit, so let me just get this out the way. Ugh. Oh guys. Oh yeah. Right, let me just get him out. Bear with me guys. Oh yeah man. Guys, and girls obviously. Look at that, you getting that bad boy? Look at the punk on that. Let me stand him up. You getting that? I think you should be able to zoom in and get that. Look at that. It's alright, shed door's blowing open, but I don't mind. Look at that. Needs a good cleaning. So what I need to do now, look at that, I'm so happy with that, is obviously cut the sprue off and then get it finished up. But over the moon. Look at them apples. You having that? Judge. Top drawer work from the judge. Look at that. Right guys, I need to crack on. And the next time you'll see that, it'll all be done. See you in a sec. Right Silver Punks, welcome back. Here we are. I've done all the finishing, done all the toning, all the polishing, all the clean up. There was a bit, as you've seen in the last part of the video, I had to cut the sprue off. And then some of the, a bit of the edges, there was a little bit of flashing around the edge, which I sanded off. And then I got it all nice and sanded off all around the edges, sprue off, and then I've done some toning. So, here you go. Here's a reveal. There you go, guys. You're getting that bad boy. There we have it. Hank's Domino. There's a 3D print. There's the finished product. Antiqued up. If you're getting that. Hank's Domino. And look at that bad boy. Punk on the back. I think it's come out really, really well. Really pleased. It is difficult to pick up on the camera, but cool Domino. Sits up every side, and you can see the sides are nicely finished as well. Hank's Domino. So there you go. Sean Culver, we've delivered. So we are looking always for new challenges, as we've said. So do pop in the comments if you've enjoyed this video. And if you want us to have a look at anything, we can have a look for you. But there we have it. But we never just did one. We had to do another one. So there's the second version. Toned up with white spots. Are you getting that? You having that bad boy? Punk Dominoes. 1, 2, 3. Really pleased. Really fun process. And as I say, the judge knocked it out the park with the old 3D print. Really did. Come out really well. So pleased. And yeah, not much else to say really. There it is. It's done. We got there. Very pleased. Think they look cool. So, if you enjoyed that guys, tune in next time when we've got some more viewers' requests. Cheers.